Hi, welcome to the podcast for When the Curves Line Up for November 1st, 2024, featuring Venus in the southwestern sky during November. Please see the article that includes diagrams of today's events on the website at whenthecurveslineup.com. Text by Jeffrey L. Hunt. Events are described relative to sunrise and sunset. Find those times in local sources. Tonight, step outside during evening twilight. Brilliant Venus gleams from the southwest. The Venus-Jupiter opposition occurs on the 3rd. Jupiter rises as Venus sets. During the following nights, Venus is in the western sky as Jupiter is in the east. Jupiter joins Saturn with Venus. During November, Venus appears higher in the sky. It gains 64 minutes of setting time compared to sunset, brightening about 10% during the month. As the moon passes through the new phase on the 1st, it begins another lunation with its appearance in the western evening sky. On November 4th, while still in front of Ophiuchus, the crescent moon is 3.9 degrees to the lower left of the evening star. At 45 minutes after nightfall, Venus is about 10 degrees above the southwest horizon. Beginning on the 8th, Venus moves from Ophiuchus to the backdrop of Sagittarius' brightest stars, known as the Teapot. The constellation enters bright evening twilight during the month. Use a binocular to spot Venus against the star field. Venus visibility is still affected by the low angle the ecliptic makes with the western horizon. Around mid-month, it sets at the end of twilight and the planet's viewing becomes easier with the planet appearing higher in the sky after sunset. On the 16th, Venus passes 0.5 degrees from Lambda Sagittarii, commonly named Cos Borealis, meaning the northern part of the bow, at the top of the teapot's lid. Mercury is at its greatest elongation. Look for it with a binocular earlier during twilight. Tonight, all 5 planets appear, but not simultaneously. Mercury, Venus, Saturn, and Jupiter are visible during evening twilight. Jupiter rises 20 minutes after Mercury sets, followed by Mars over 3 hours later. 6 nights later, Venus passes 1.2 degrees from Sigma Sagittarii, also known as Nunci. At 45 minutes after nightfall, the brilliant planet is nearly 15 degrees above the southwest horizon. Mercury is visible, but look for it earlier through a binocular. As the month ends, Venus is over 15 degrees above the west-southwest horizon during mid-twilight. Thank you for listening. Please read the articles at whenthecurveslineup.com.